Want to learn how to draw a shape? Watch and follow along on this quick and easy tutorial. You can use a paper and pencil or an iPad. Let's start by making a U shape for the head, right in the middle, and then a smaller U shape on each side for the ears. Draw the wool on his head by using a set of curvy lines. Make sure to close the section. Now we're ready to draw the body. Use the same style of curvy lines to draw a square-like shape going all the way around until you get back to the head. Start under the body and draw 4 legs and 4 hoofs. To draw the face, we'll make 2 circles for the eyes, an upside down triangle for the nose, and then 2 curved lines for the mouth. Get the printable instructions in the blog post.